Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wayne County, Warren County, Nash County, Sampson County, Eastern Harnett County, Edgecombe County, Cumberland County, Halifax County, Wilson County, Johnston County, Franklin County, until 6 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gasburg to near Smithfield to near Rex, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and subsequent damage to homes and businesses from falling trees. Western Jones County, Greene County,
Only this weather area went off for a Newport severe partial warning.
Northwestern Beaufort County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
I guess attention tells
southwest of Scott.
only attention tells gets the weather. This weather is attention.
Hazard, 60 miles
By the
per hour.
way, it gets attention by the EAS. But this alert was just an attention tone, and it went off because of it was an alert. It went off for this alert. This alert caused it to go off.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Newport at 1-800-889